Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at CVS for the week. I'm also going to show you pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was at the store. I thought there were some pretty good deals at CVS. I also did Walgreens shopping, so if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it down in the video description box. I'm also going to be announcing the winner of the Flues gift card giveaway, so stay tuned for that winner. Y'all, I had a little issue at CVS today, which bummed me out and made me grumpy for a little bit. I'm out of that now, but I'm going to tell you what happened and how I handled it in this video as well. But let's go ahead and jump straight into the deals. No, let's tell you who the giveaway winner is. You want to know. I know you want to know. And this name sounds familiar. I think she's dropped me comments before, and so I am excited to announce that the winner of the $50 gift card is Catherine Coons. So I will be getting your information over to Flues. That way they can get you that gift card. Thank you to everyone who entered. I will be having more gift card giveaways coming up soon. I actually have one right now over on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina. I've partnered up with a number of lovely ladies, and we are doing a gift card giveaway there as well. Okay, now let's get into the deals. I want to start with food because y'all know I love the food deals. Okay, so I bought cereal. Remember, it was either last week or the week before. I said, y'all, look, there's coupons on the back. And I was like nerding out over coupons. I actually used one of those coupons today. So I bought 3 boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They are on sale for $1.99. I used one of those coupons that I cut out of the back of the box for $1 off. 2. I also use the $1 off Cheerios CVS CRT, which is just a CVS coupon in my CVS app, as well as a $2 off a $6 Cheerios purchase. So even though I was just short of the $6, that 2 off 6 still applied. So I paid a total of $1.97 for all 3 of these boxes of cereal, which means they came out to 65 cents per box. Great price for cereal. Great price if you like to donate to the food bank. But when I was cutting out that coupon, I realized that there is a rebate that I haven't heard anyone talking about. It is $3 back when you spend $10 on cereal, Yoplait yogurt, or bananas. And so that website to apply for that rebate is breakfastisbananas.com. You have to purchase everything on one receipt, spend at least $10, and when you spend that $10, they give you $3 in a rebate back. I did not hit that today, so I didn't submit, so I can't tell you how it works, if it's before coupons or after coupons. I have not read all the terms yet, but I hadn't heard anyone talking about it, so I wanted to throw that out to you. breakfastisbananas.com. More food. So no lie, I have been looking for this rind fruit forever because there is a $3 Ibotta rebate. And these guys are just $4.99. I had a $1 digital coupon in my CVS app that applied to this. So I paid $3.99. I got $3 back on Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. Now, I was all excited because there was a $1 rebate in my Fetch Rewards app, but apparently that did not apply at CVS. So I was hoping to score it for free, but I did not. If you're new to Ibotta, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Okay, the last food I'm going to tell you about. I'm still able to find these little Snickers bars. These are on clearance for 37 cents. There's a rebate on Ibotta for 25 cents back, and it's a limit of 5. So that makes each of these just 12 cents. I grabbed 3 of them, and then I grabbed the big bag. So let's not mess with these little ones. Let's go ahead and grab the big bag because this was also on clearance for just $1.45. And then I got back that 25 cents on Ibotta, making this just $1.20. So I wanted to share that deal with you too. I know some people said they love those. I have still not tried them. But there you go. That was all the food I got this week. Y'all want to hear about my moment? Okay, so the moment is on the hair care deal. Now look at this ad. I'm gonna throw it up here on the screen somewhere. It very clearly says that these products are 3 for $9. When you buy 3, you get $7 in extra care bucks back. They were tagged in my store that way. It was in the ad that way. But when I bought 3 of these, that $7 did not print. So they're looking at my receipt and they're like, oh, I think you were supposed to buy more, or because it says on the tag, it says 3 for $9 plus buy 3, get 7. And they're like, see, it says plus, you're supposed to also buy something else. I'm like, okay, I'm pretty sure that's not what that means. What should we do? Like, it's tagged that way, it's in the ad. How do you want to handle this? She was like, well, you're going to need to call the 1-800 number. I'm like, could you and I do that together right now? She was like, no, you can do it. Ugh, super. Let me go spend 15 minutes calling a phone number. You know, like sometimes you just want things to work. But because I wanted to be able to share with you if this was a correct deal or not, I sure did pick up that phone and called the 1-800 number. I talked to them. They put me on hold for like 3 minutes. They came back. They said, you should have gotten the $7. We will credit it to your account. Give us 24 to 48 hours before you see that on your account. But it should have qualified. I'm like, so it should have qualified? Yes, it should have qualified. Okay, so it should have qualified. It should work. But let me know down in the comments below if you had an issue with this. Because is it like across all stores? Was it just my store? I don't know. But here's the deal. I bought 3 of these because they're 3 for $9 and you get $7 back. But I had a $4 off a $25 hair care CRT that I wanted to use. So I grabbed these 3 Nexus. These are the Vital 8-in-1. They're like the deep purple color. Now at my store, these are expensive. They're $5.49 each. But they are with an extra care buck deal to get $10 back. So here's what I did. I bought 3 of those at $5.49 each. If your store is cheaper, just make sure you hit whatever threshold you're trying to hit. So for me, I had that 4 off 25. So I bought 3 of those. I bought 3 of the Suave. Now I had 2 of the $1 Suave coupons from the Save insert that I used, as well as that 4 off a $25 hair care CRT. So I paid $19.47. I got back $10, no problem, for the Nexus. And then they had to issue me the $7 that I have to wait 24 hours for. So that ended up being my final cost of $2.47 for all 6 items, or just 41 cents per item. I did scan my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because I get a few points back for purchasing their participating brands. Okay, now the razor deal. Pretty awesome razor deal, since like this razor right here is $10.79. This one here is $14.99. Crazy town. Okay, so I had a $5 off 20 shave CRT. I had a $5 off any Chic Intuition CRT, and then a $4 off any Chic digital coupon. So I paid $11.78. I got back $10 in extra care bucks for spending at least $25. So that means they were $1.78 total, or just 89 cents each. Okay, so let's talk about a deodorant deal. I grabbed the Degree deodorants. These are buy one, get one half off. And I had a number of coupons for these, but I also had a coupon that was $3 off a $15 deodorant purchase, and the Degrees just like got me just short of 15. So I grabbed 2 of the Suave deodorants as well. So this is how the math works out. So these are $8.59 at my store. So one rings up $8.59. The other is going to ring up half of that price. This Suave deodorant is $3.69. One rings $3.69. The other is going to ring half of that price. I had that $3 off a $15 deodorant CRT, as well as a $2 off any men's grooming CRT, and a $2 Degree deodorant CRT. The last coupon I had was from that Save insert, the $4 off any 2 Degree spray deodorant manufacturer coupon. That was a mouthful. Okay, so I paid a total of $7.41. I got back $3 for the degree. I got back $2 in extra care bucks for the swab, making my final cost for all four of them $2.41, or just 60 cents a piece, so not a bad deal. While I was at the store, I went ahead and grabbed my March Beauty freebie. In your app, you'll see a number of different items that you can choose from. And I grabbed the CVS Healthy Hands. So this is $3.79. When I checked out, the full $3.79 came off, making it completely free. So those were all the deals that I did at CVS. But I also used my Flues app that we talked about last week. I bought a $10 gift card. So that was one of the stores that gave us that 35% cash back. So I got like $3.75 back there, making all of these items just a fantastic deal this week. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comments below. Hope y'all have a great start to your week. Thanks.